Did you know that your book outline is the blueprint for your book and it keeps you away from getting writer's block? If you would like to learn how to outline your non-fiction book, then keep watching. Hi, my name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. If this is something that you're interested in, then you'll want to hit the subscribe button below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to outline a non-fiction book. An outline is important because it is the blueprint of your book. It keeps you away from getting writer's block and it helps your ideas to flow in a logical sequence. However, there are two common ways that people write. It's either they use the pantser method or the outlining method. The pantser method is just like the name implies, writing by the seat of your pants. That is, just writing and letting the thoughts flow without any structure or any outline. The second way is the outlining method. In this video here, I discussed how you can write your book from start to finish, and one of the steps I mentioned is outlining. The first step to outlining your book is brainstorming your idea. Now, your idea is the central topic that you want to write about or the main message that you want to convey in your book. Itemize your ideas in a brainstorming sheet. Do a brain dump. Think about everything that you want to write about in your book and anything you want to say in your book and write it down. It must not be organized or in a structured order. Remember, all you want to do at this point is just to brainstorm. After brainstorming, the next thing you want to do is to determine the chapters of your book. At this point, you're going to group the ideas that you have brainstormed into related topics. Each topic is going to form a chapter of your book. One tip I'll give you to use when brainstorming is to use the 5W1H method of asking questions. That is what, why, when, where, who, and how. The third step is to create subheadings for each chapter. You will want to convert the related topic in each group to sub-chapter topics. If they are not appropriate, you will want to further develop these topics into sub-chapters. If you've been getting value so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The fourth thing is to revise. You will want to revise your book title, the chapter titles, and the sub-chapter titles to make sure that they are appropriate. Now, there are different ways that you want to outline your book, but just make sure that you keep it short and simple. You may want to use the traditional pen and paper to outline, or you may want to use note-taking apps like Google Keep to write your outline. Whatever method that you want to use to write your outline, just remember that your outline is not a perfect document. Neither is it carved in stone. So you can always go back to it to edit it, change it, or make some improvements. When drafting your outline, don't forget to take note of the scriptures, quotes, statistics, or facts that you want to use in each chapter. And there you have it, a simple way to outline your non-fiction book. So, what kind of writer are you? An outlining writer or a pantser writer? Leave a comment below so that I'll get to know you. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you in the next video.